Hey guys, I'm Sony. Welcome to my channel. If you are a fresher and still not placed, this video can save your time because I came up with a very good entry level opportunity. And in this video, I will quickly cover who can apply, what skills they are looking for, and how you can apply. So make sure you watch till the end.
So guys, Werqlabs is hiring for a UI UX internship, and this is a great opportunity if you are interested in designing real digital products. In this internship, you will mainly work on UI and UX design using Figma. You will help create wireframes, mockups, and interactive prototypes to show how users will move through an app or website. You will also collaborate with developers, product managers, and senior designers to convert ideas and requirements into smooth user experiences. Apart from design, you will get exposure to user research like understanding how users behave and improving designs based on feedback. Another important part of the role is maintaining design systems like reusable components and style guides so that everything looks consistent across products. Now, coming to the requirements, Figma is mandatory, so you should be comfortable using it. Basic understanding of UX principles, user centered design, and interaction design is expected. If you know a bit of HTML, CSS, or responsive design, that's a plus but not compulsory. They are looking for someone who's creative, can communicate ideas clearly, and enjoys working with a team. Overall, if you want hands on experience in UI UX design, product thinking, and real project exposure, this internship at Werqlabs is definitely.
If you don't know any of these skills, I have already shared all the important interview resources, cheat sheets, and practice materials. You can find them by scanning the QR code on the screen or through the resources link in the description box. These are the same resources I personally recommend for cracking off campus roles. The apply link is also in the description box. Don't delay your application. Off-campus roles fills really fast. I post verified internship and job updates daily. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you subscribe and keep notifications on. I also post job updates in my WhatsApp channel and LinkedIn channel. So make sure you check out and follow by using the link in my description box. Thank you.